7 P's that you will require to create a successful course selling machine. The first P is person or persona. You need to pick a certain kind of persona. Like, for example, I am looking at knowledge givers like coaches and course creators. Problem is the next P. What is their burning problem? That is something that you have to figure out. Typically, this problem could be something to do with money, like making more money is a problem all of us have, fitness, sleeping well, angry children, or let's say child's future, right? All of these are big burning problems that people are willing to spend money on, right? So pick a big problem that people really want to solve and are willing to spend money on, and then design your product. What is your product? Your product is the course, right? Or your coaching program, right? Design the whole thing around that problem, and your product, which is the course, needs to directly solve this problem of the end customer. Next, packaging. Packaging your solution in a manner that people can engage with. When they land on the website, seeing a great website. When they interact with you, every interaction is great. Packaging is as important as the product, because product is your expertise, right? I mean, it's what you really know and what you're trying to solve for. But packaging is just those small things which will cause engagement. What questions are you going to ask? How are you going to keep them engaged? How are you going to keep them learning? What are the like community elements, right? All of this is packaging so that people are really interested in your solution. Next, once you have done person, problem, product, packaging, you have to think about pricing, right? Like, because the best solution which is outpriced will never be bought, and if it's less priced, you're kind of leaving money on the table. Thinking really close and hard about pricing and how do you solve for it is a very critical piece of how much you're going to sell and how much you're going to make from that process. Once you've solved pricing, you will need to look at promotion, right? How are you going to tell the world that, hey, everybody who has this problem, I have the solution? That is what promotion is. Finally comes preview. You would have seen this before as well. To make people decide and buy your product, they need to get a taste of it. They need to get a preview. They need to see how you teach. They need to buy into the concept of the way you teach, right? Which is why the packaging is important, right? Which is why you have to think about short videos, right? Which keep people engaged. You'll have to think of a lot of different mechanisms, but essentially they are trying to evaluate, are you the right person for this? And that is the thing that will push them over the edge and make them buy.